营地外面下过雨，现在还有一点点。吃早餐了。好，现在我们就离开这个省级公园了。Hi, how are you? Yeah, we came from the campsite. Thank you. Yeah.
就呢棵大樹下。
係啊，呢棵大樹下邊。我们现在到了这个
叫做
找一下
Spruce Lane Farmhouse， 就是一个农庄了。好，现在我们可以从前门进去参观一下。10点到4点。
现在进来了。
这里进来就是上。
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Yeah.
Is that okay? We take videos?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Have you been here before?
No, this is our first time.
Yeah.
So the house is in its original location, built in 1900 by apple and strawberry farmers,
Wow.
and they built this as their dream house.
Oh.
So we have everything in here to look like it would have in the year 1900, like our costumes, the things that we're doing and stuff in the house is all
really?
dated to that time period.
Amazing.
So we do have, it is a museum, so most things are hands off, but there are orange hands that say try this. Those are things you can actually touch. And a fresh batch of scones just came off of the stove, so if you guys are in the kitchen, feel free to
Really?
ask for a
Okay.
little sample.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Should we just
Where's the start?
Wherever you would like. I might suggest, here, you come on in the parlor here,
okay.
just right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you. Wow. Is the owner?
No, those are just representational pictures of what the owners would have. Big frames like that, the type of picture they would have. So this is the fancy room in the house. Visitors to the house would be welcome here. Kids wouldn't be allowed in this room because they have tendency to make a mess.
Oh,
And
okay.
your guests didn't call you or text you and tell you they were on their way. They would just show up. So
Oh, okay.
This room was always kept ready for entertaining for visitors who just show up.
I
Like
see.
a living room, eh?
This is they have. This is for the English tea time.
It was improper to have visitors and not offer them something to drink and something to eat.
I see.
So tea was just a very common English thing to have as something to offer to drink, as well as like biscuits or some cookies or something like that would be offered alongside it. Didn't mean you always served it, but if you came to visit, again I would be an improper host if I didn't at least offer.
I see. That's old culture. So, because we always hear like English tea is very famous. Oh, now it's a culture.
Well, tea itself is actually much more important than just offering it, sort of thing. So tea is actually between lunchtime and supper, which is at 8 p.m. Lunchtime is at noon.
Yeah.
It's a long time to not have any food, so they'd actually have a tea time around 4 o'clock as kind of a meal. So even the family would all gather from the fields and wherever they are and sit down for tea.
I see.
And that was what that was. But this is more of a visitors coming
Visitors.
over. So,
Okay, got it. Nice.
The fireplace.
Yeah, that's a fireplace. That's the cabinet. Great.
So then this room back here, there's sliding doors here. They would separate these two rooms. And this room is more of the family room. This is the back parlor, so where the family would actually take their leisure time and stuff after they were done their chores for the day.
I see. So there's this is a piano?
Piano.
It's a pump organ.
Oh,
Very
okay.
close. So it has bellows inside it and reeds. It's a little sticky because the humidity these days.
Yeah.
So if we pull out some of these and direct some of the air to the reeds, when you pump it up with your foot, it will actually.
Oh, nice.
But if you stop pumping with your foot, it will actually stop playing if it runs out of air.
Oh.
So to have one of these in your house was a major investment. It'd be over a month's pay to have this, but to have it and have like the family members be able to play it when you had visitors over meant that you were showing off your status, meaning you didn't have to do all of your dishes or you didn't have to cook all of your meals. You had time to practice music like this, which was kind of showing off of it.
I see. Wow. So that could be people who have this own this must be rich.
They were trying to appear like they were rich. Actually, these are the original owners right here.
Yeah.
So this is the Brecken family here. Henry and Margaret built this as their dream home. They had 3 kids, Christine, Alice, and Gordon, who would have grown up in this house. And they actually had 2 hired hands down in that picture, which is Bateson and Dolly.
I see.
And they were apple and strawberry farmers. So they were farmers, they still would have got their hands dirty, their boots muddy and everything like that. But because they grew apples and strawberries, they did very well for themselves.
I see.
So as far as farmers go, they were wealthy farmers, if that makes sense.
Wow.
But they're not super rich or anything.
Yeah.
They're just trying to make it look like they're rich.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
Great. Hi.
So the house is actually kind of split into 2 houses. If you imagine this door is closed and locked, visitors to the house only see this. We have wallpaper, we have carpet, we have
It's different.
fancy.
Visitor.
As soon as we come back here, we lose the wallpaper, we lose the carpet.
Yeah.
It's all about function back here. This is where the work gets done. This is where the dirty, everything disappears back here.
I see.
The same thing is true in the dining room. Same thing is true upstairs.
Okay, that's 2 sections.
So this is the kitchen?
Yeah, you can go on.
Oh, okay.
Hi guys.
Hello. This is for eggs. Oh yeah, winter kitchen. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, this is part of the kitchen area?
So this would be the summer kitchen.
Oh. I see. This is a little bit hot. Is
Yeah,
it because
so I
of the
just-
stove is on?
Yeah, I just baked some
No
scones. You guys
wonder.
can try them if you'd like.
Yo.
You want to try some?
Yeah, feel free to try some.
nice.
Thank you. It's soft. Very good.
And you know how to do it? Wow, amazing. Nice. Thank you, guys.
There. Hopefully you can get a little bit more.
Yeah.
Because when you're crocheting,
Sewing machine.
I don't even know what to do with that nice.
Oh, they do.
Maybe we just
They make the.
because like there's a good amount on here.
Okay, well, let's cut it there and then separate these two. And then we'll go back. It into a single ply, which is what he's got in his hands here, just one strand. And then we've been trying to, this is the first time we've been doing it, where
Yeah.
we're plying that yarn into two.
I see.
And then that creates a usable spinning product, or knitting, or
Oh, yeah.
whatever,
Nice.
whatever we choose to do.
Just run.
We can do some knitting like he's doing, he's spinning wool.
Yeah.
Then I'm crocheting, for example.
Right.
So just using like one hook instead of like the two knitting needles like that.
Oh.
So you can see I'm making like a little hat.
Oh, yeah. How do you use the one with the hook? Oh, this one is with the
Yeah,
hook.
so you
Yeah.
would basically, you'd start at like your certain point and
Yeah.
you learn different kinds of stitches.
Yeah.
So if you want to do like a single stitch, for example, just follow a certain pattern, and then doing it all together, you can make little like animals or like scarves and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's nice. 现在我们从这个英式的农庄的主人家里出来参观完了以后呢，我们再看看他的这个周围的这个农庄啊，那里还有马嘞，看看。哦，这里是一个 trail 步行道步径。
係啊。好靚喎呢度，
係啊，
呢個 trail
非常漂亮。这是这个19世纪的农庄，它的后面呢就有这些养牛养羊的，还有那些草一堆堆的，那个是喂牲畜的。哦，这个叫 Spruce Lane Farm 啊，这边是养马的，还有个拖拉机。继续走在这个农庄后面。哦，这里是晒谷子的。对对对，他们刚才照到的是那个收稻谷的机器，这里呢是他们的晒谷场。哦，这边就是他们的养的一些动物。你看，这有一个羊。哇，下大雨了。哎，接了哇，又现代抓着一个自拍棍，还哦，好像你就是那个农夫了，19世纪的英国农夫 ，OK？ 好。
19世紀
的英国的
有
移民。
有
就是这样子的。
有，good job，
小手耶。
good job。
好，放上。可以吃饭了。